Yo, what is up everybody, it's VK and we are back with another video. Today we're diving deep into the crystal clear waters and luxury of the Maldives. Think white sand beaches, turquoise lagoons and palm trees swaying in the breeze. Let's do this! First up, we're heading to Sonavayani, and let me tell you, this place is on another level. Imagine waking up in your overwater villa with the sun rising over the Indian Ocean. Sonavayani is all about unique experiences, like an outdoor cinema under the stars. They even have a whole room dedicated to chocolate. Sonavayani is also deeply committed to sustainability, with their own eco-center. This is luxury with a conscience, and it's absolutely incredible. Next stop, we're jetting over to one and only Rithi Ra, where space is abundant and the ocean views are endless. Here, luxury knows no bounds. Massive private villas, each one bigger than my first apartment in New York City, offer unparalleled comfort and privacy. One and only Rithi Ra is a foodie's paradise, with a variety of dining options that cater to every palate. Multiple restaurants serve up everything from fresh seafood to gourmet international cuisine, ensuring a delightful culinary journey. You can dine with your toes in the sand, under the stars, enjoying the gentle sea breeze, or even in your own private villa, where personalized service makes every meal special. One and only Rithi Ra also offers a ton of activities to keep you entertained, from water sports to yoga sessions. It's the perfect blend of relaxation and adventure, whether you're lounging on the beach or exploring the vibrant marine life. With a healthy dose of luxury sprinkled on top, this resort truly offers an unforgettable experience. Alright guys, get ready to be blown away because we are about to enter a whole other level of sophistication at the St. Regis Maldives Vomuli Resort. This isn't just any resort, it's a paradise where luxury meets nature. From the moment you step foot on this island, you're greeted with incredible design and attention to detail. The architecture seamlessly blends with the natural beauty of the surroundings. At the St. Regis, you get your own personal butler, dedicated to making your stay as comfortable as possible. Whether you need a dinner reservation or a special request, your butler is there to assist you. The real showstopper here is the underwater dining experience. Imagine dining surrounded by crystal clear water and colorful fish. It's like being in an aquarium, but you're the one inside. And if you're looking to relax and rejuvenate, the Spa and Wellness Center at the St. Regis is the place to be. Indulge in a variety of treatments designed to pamper you from head to toe, leaving you refreshed and revitalized. Four Seasons, Landa Jiravaru, where luxury meets sustainability. This place is all about experiencing the best of the Maldives while preserving its natural beauty. They've got an amazing marine discovery center where you can learn about local marine life and participate in coral propagation projects. The villas are out of this world, with private pools, outdoor showers, and direct access to the beach or lagoon. The Four Seasons is committed to sustainability, with initiatives like using solar power and composting food waste. It's proof that you can live large and tread lightly at the same time. Alright guys, buckle up because we're about to dive into something truly extraordinary at the Conrad Maldives Rangali Island. This place is home to Ethaya, the world's first all-glass underwater restaurant. Imagine dining 5 meters below the surface of the ocean, surrounded by coral reefs and marine life. The Conrad Maldives is a haven for adventure seekers and relaxation enthusiasts alike. You can go diving, snorkeling, windsurfing, or simply unwind at the spa. Whether you're looking for an underwater adventure or a relaxing spa getaway, the Conrad Maldives Rangali Island has it all. Get ready to step into a world of unparalleled luxury and elegance where every moment is crafted to perfection. As we arrive at Cheval Blanc Randelli, a sanctuary of opulence nestled in the heart of the Maldives, this place is the epitome of sophistication, where every detail is designed to exceed your wildest expectations. From the plush interiors to the state-of-the-art amenities, the resort was designed by renowned architect Jean-Michel Gatti, with clean lines and natural materials that blend seamlessly with the island's beauty. Cheval Blanc Randelli is home to some of the most exquisite restaurants in the Maldives, offering a culinary journey like no other. You can savor Mediterranean flavors, contemporary Japanese cuisine, and a variety of other gourmet delights. Or enjoy a romantic dinner under the stars with the gentle sound of the waves as your backdrop. From the moment you arrive, you're assigned a dedicated butler who will cater to your every need, ensuring your stay is nothing short of extraordinary. Alright guys, get ready for a double dose of paradise because we're heading to Niama Private Islands. You've got Play, an island dedicated to adventure, and Chill, an island designed for relaxation. On Play, you can go diving with manta rays, jet skiing, or try flyboarding. Check out Sub 6, the world's first underwater club, for a unique experience. On Chill, unwind on pristine beaches, take a dip in your private pool, or indulge in a spa treatment. Niama Private Islands offers two distinct experiences in one stunning location. So there you have it guys, a glimpse into the world of luxury in the Maldives. From overwater bungalows to underwater restaurants and world-class spas, these resorts offer the ultimate escape. What did you guys think? Which resort would you choose for your dream Maldivian getaway? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, peace out.